This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on ransomware protection in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable ransomware protection, by default it's probably not enabled on your system, but to enable it, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to my Start icon. I'm going to right click on the Start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, the very top thing, you want to click on Windows Security. Then from here, you want to click on Virus and Threat Protection. A new window will open up, and on that new window, the pane off to the left hand side, you can see I am on Virus and Threat Protection. The center pane, you want to scroll down to the very bottom. Down here you see Ransomware Protection. You want to click on Manage Ransomware Protection. And then right up here, Controlled Folder Access protects files, folders, and memory areas on your device from unauthorized changes by unfriendly applications. You want to make sure this right here is toggled on. To enable ransomware protection, just toggle this on. That is how to enable ransomware protection in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.